Who among the following has the right to establish the bench of the Supreme Court elsewhere in the country? ভাৰতৰ যিকোনো জেগাত সুপ্ৰিম কোৰ্টৰ বেঞ্চ বহাবৰ অধিকাৰ কাৰ আছে? চিফ জাষ্টিচ অফ দ্য সুপ্ৰিম কোৰ্ট এ কিন্তু ৰাষ্ট্ৰপতিৰ লগত আলোচনা কৰিব লাগিব। Which of the following article talks about the establishment of the Supreme Court? Supreme Courtৰ প্ৰতিষ্ঠা কোনটো আৰ্টিকলে কৰে? Article 124. In which of the following categories of cases the Supreme Court of India has the power to decide? A reference made by the President on a question of law or fact. A case involving interpretation of the Constitution. A case involving a substantial question of law of general importance. A case where the constitutionality of any law has been challenged. কোনটো ক্ষেত্ৰত সুপ্ৰিম কোৰ্টে সিদ্ধান্ত ল'ব পাৰিব? 2, 3, 4 ক্ষেত্ৰত পাৰিব, একৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত নোৱাৰে। ৰেফাৰেন্স মেড বাই দ্য প্ৰেচিডেণ্ট অন এ কুৱেশ্যন অফ ল অৰ ফেক্ট, এইটোত নোৱাৰে। হু কেন এক্সটেণ্ড দ্য জুৰিডিকশ্যন অফ এ হাই কোৰ্ট? হাই কোৰ্টৰ জুৰিডিকশ্যন কোনে বঢ়াব পাৰে? পাৰ্লিয়ামেণ্ট অফ ইণ্ডিয়া। পাৰ্লিয়ামেণ্ট অফ ইণ্ডিয়া। হুইচ অফ দ্য ফলোয়িং ষ্টেট ডাজ নট হেভ এ হাই কোৰ্ট? তলৰ কোনখন ষ্টেটৰ হাই কোৰ্ট নাই? ত্ৰিপুৰা, মণিপুৰ, মেঘালয়ৰ আছে, নাগালেণ্ডৰ নাই। Which statement regarding the tenure of judges of the Supreme Court is not correct? Judge of the Supreme Court can remain in office till the age of 65 years, correct? Judge of the Supreme Court gives his resignation letter to the Chief Justice. It is false. On the recommendation of Parliament, he can be removed by the President. True. Supreme Court judge can be removed only in the condition of misconduct. B is wrong. How can the High Court judge be removed? A resolution passed by the general majority of the Parliament, by the Supreme Court on the advice of the President, a resolution passed by the special majority of the respective state, a resolution passed by the Parliament with a special majority. High Courtৰ জাজক পাৰ্লিয়ামেণ্টৰ স্পেচিয়েল মেজৰিটিৰ জৰিয়তে ৰিমুভ কৰিব পাৰি। So D. A resolution passed by the Parliament with a special majority. The transfer of judges from one high court to another high court may be made by the President of India in consultation with the Chief Justice of that high court. It is wrong. Chief Justice of the concerned high court. It is wrong. Governor of the concerned state in consultation with the Chief Justice of India. Governor Enware. President of India after consultation with the Chief Justice of India. D option is correct. Arrange the following high courts in ascending year of their year of establishment. Delhi, Guwahati, Manipur, Uttarakhand. Guwahati first, Delhi second, Uttarakhand third, Manipur fourth. So B. Which of the following statement is not true about India's Supreme Court? Article 124 to 147 and Part 5 of the Indian Constitution informs about the Constitution and powers of the Supreme Court. It is true. The Supreme Court was inaugurated on January 28, 1950. True. At present, there are 35 judges in the Supreme Court. Wrong. 31 judges 2019. Judges of Supreme Court are appointed by the President of India. It is true. Gotike C to wrong. Which qualification is wrong for being a judge in the Supreme Court? It is compulsory to be a citizen of India. True. He should be a respected jurist in the eyes of Parliament. Parliamentor district hobo na lage. Etu wrong. Must be a judge in the High Court for at least 5 years. Etu true. He should be a lawyer in the High Court for at least 10 years. Etu false. Gotike B to hol true. Who can remove the judge of the Supreme Court? Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, only President, only Parliament, both Parliament and President, both Parliament and President. Parliament resolution to pass koribo lagibo, President tak granted koribo lagibo. So D. What is the current salary of the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court? Supreme Court or Chief Justice or Bortoman salary kiman 2.8 lakh rupees. C. Who of the following decides the number of judges in a high court? High court or judgeor সংখ্যা কোনে নিৰ্ধাৰণ কৰিব প্ৰেসিডেন্ট চিফ মিনিষ্টাৰ প্ৰাইম মিনিষ্টাৰ পাৰ্লিয়ামেন্ট সো পাৰ্লিয়ামেন্ট The Chief Justice and other judges of the High Court are appointed by Chief Justice aru High Court or judge kune appoint kore President, Chief Justice of Supreme Court, Governor, Attorney General, President. The oath to a High Court judge is administered by the Chief Justice of India, Chief Justice of High Court, President, Governor of the concerned state, Governor Hopot Luai oath. The Supreme Court of India was set up under which of the following act? Pitt's India Act 1784, Charter Act 1833, 1773, Regulating Act, Indian Council Acts 1892, correct. D. In India, the power to increase the number of judges in the Supreme Court lies with the President, Chief Justice of India, Union Ministry of Law, Parliament. So, Parliament. Disputes between states of India comes to the Supreme Court under ৰাজ্যৰ মাজত বিবাদ হলে কোনটোত আহে অৰিজিনেল আপিলেট এডভাইজৰি সো অৰিজিনেলত আহিব এ Which of the following statements is correct with respect to retired judge of a high court? Cannot practice in the Supreme Court, cannot practice in any high court of India, cannot practice in the high court from where he was retired. He has retired. So, C. যিখন হাই কোৰ্টৰ পৰা ৰিটায়াৰমেন্ট লৈছে সেইখন হাই কোৰ্টত ৰিটায়াৰমেন্টৰ পিছত প্ৰেক্টিস কৰিব নোৱাৰে Who was the Chief Justice of India when public interest litigation PIL was introduced to the Indian judicial system? PIL যেতিয়া আনিছিলে তেতিয়া Chief Justice কোন আছিলে PN Bhagwati Which of the following writ orders of the High Court, Supreme Court is sought to get an order of an authority's quest? Authority কাৰ আছে এটো কোনে কোনটো ৰিটে কৰিব সাৰ্চিয়ৰিটিয়ে কোনো প্ৰতিষ্ঠানৰ অথৰিটি কি কাম কৰা হেতু সুধিব পাৰে Which of the following is at the apex of the subordinate criminal courts? Criminal court or subordinate কোনটো সৰ্বোচ্চ Not Supreme Court, not High Court, Court of District, wrong. Court of Sessions, subordinate criminal court. The salaries and emoluments of the judges of the Supreme Court are charged on the Consolidated Fund of India. Dormoha aru onnaino ha-subida Consolidated Fund or pa diye. Which of the following writs of the High Court or the Supreme Court is sought to produce in the court a person suspected to be missing in custody. So, habeas corpus manu custody dole etu read dibo pare. Where the high courts in India first set up? Bombay, Madras and Kolkata. Prothom high court protishta hoisile Bombay, Madras, Kolkata. A writ of mandamus can be issued by the Supreme Court to mandamus কাক দিব পাৰে writ an official to perform public duty perform কৰিবলৈ অফিচাৰক mandamus writ দিব পাৰে An appeal to the High Court lies in case the Session Court has awarded the punishment of Session Court সৰ্বোচ্চ কিমান বছৰ punishment দিলে High Court appeal কৰিব পাৰি 4 years or more 4 বছৰতকে বেছি যদি শাস্তি দিয়ে তেতিয়া High Court appeal কৰিব পাৰি How many types of writs can be issued by the Supreme Court? Writs 5. Also can issue writs by the High Court under Article 226. The Supreme Court of India enjoys advisory jurisdiction, original, appellate and advisory, all. So D, original, appellate and advisory jurisdiction. High Court advisory to napai. The judges of the High Court hold office during the pleasure of the Chief Justice of India till they have attained 62 years of age, till they have attained 65 years of age, as long as they desire. Eto correct hol till they have attained 62 years of age. High Court or judge retirement or boyof 62, Supreme Court or 65 years. So B. In which case did the Supreme Court restore the primacy of the fundamental rights over the directive principle of state policy? Directive principle or fundamental right or অগ্ৰাধিকাৰ কোনটো কেছে দিছিলে? মিনাৰ্ভা মিলছ কেছ। মিনাৰ্ভা মিলছ কেছ। Which of the following is not the essential qualification for appointment as a judge of the Supreme Court of India? Should be a citizen of India, correct. Should be at least 35 years of age, is not necessarily 35 হ'ব লাগিব, এটো wrong। বাকি কিটা চাও। Should be an eminent jurist, এটো হয়। Should have practiced for at least 10 years as an advocate in one or more high courts, এটো true। So 35 years হ'ব লাগিব বুলি কথা নাই। B টো wrong। The Supreme Court is empowered to settle election disputes of president and vice president. This is Supreme Courtৰ শক্তি আছে vice president আৰু presidentৰ মাজত বিবাদ হলে ইলেকশনৰ বিবাদ হলে এটো সমাধান কৰিবলৈ original jurisdictionত পৰে এটো। Which two states have a common high court? আৰু আছে হাৰিয়ানা এণ্ড পঞ্জাবত আছে। গতিকে কোন কিখন ষ্টেটৰ মাজত কমন হাই কোৰ্ট আছে এটো গোটেই কিটা আপোনালোকে চাব। হাৰিয়ানা এণ্ড পঞ্জাবৰ মাজত আছে, ইয়াৰ পিছত আৰু এটা আছে। The state which have a common high court are Maharashtra and Goa. So আসামতো আছে, আমি জানো অসম, মেঘালয়, নাগালেণ্ড আৰু মিজোৰামৰ মিলাই আছে। The first woman judge to be appointed to Supreme Court was Supreme Courtৰ প্ৰথম মহিলা জাজ কোন আছিল? জাজ M. Fatima Bibi. M. Fatima Bibi, first woman judge of Supreme Court. Who was the first woman chief justice of a high court of a state in India? High Courtৰ judge মহিলা কোন আছিল? Leela Seth. So Leela Seth is the first woman chief justice of High Court of a state. Question আছে ইয়াৰ ওপৰত পাছত। Which is the highest law of the land? Criminal Procedure Court, Civil Procedure Court, Indian Constitution, Indian Penal Code. So Constitution is the highest law. সংবিধানখনেই সৰ্বোচ্চ আইন। C. The Supreme Court of India acts as a federal court when it deals with. Supreme Court যেতিয়া ফেডারেল কোর্ট হিসাবে কাম কৰে কোনটো কেছত? সিভিল কেছত, ইন্টাৰষ্টেট ডিসপিউট। So B. Election petitions appeals from lower courts. ৰাজ্যৰ মাজত বিবাদ হলে এটো কৰে। The High Court which has the distinction of having the first women chief justice. এইটোৱে প্ৰথম মহিলা জাজ চিফ জাস্টিস হাই কোর্টৰ কোনখনৰ আছিলে? হিমাচল প্ৰদেশ হাই কোর্ট। হিমাচল প্ৰদেশ হাই কোর্ট। Judges of the district court are appointed by president, law minister, governor, chief justice. District courtৰ জাজক গভৰ্ণৰে এপইন্টমেন্ট দিয়ে। Which of the following statements about the Chief Justice of India is not correct? He appoints the Chief Justice of all high courts. The CJI administers the oath of office to the President. True. The CJI can hold his office till he attains the age of 65 years. True. When both the offices of President and Vice President fall vacant simultaneously, CJI discharges the duties of President. True. So, High Court জাজক তেওঁ এপইন্ট নকৰে। Which of the following article of IPC is related to unnatural sex? এটো নিউজত আছিলে। Unnatural sexৰ আৰ্টিকল কোনটো? 377 article. 377 article unnatural sex. 45 section of IPC which deals with LGBT, lesbian, gay, bisexual and transgender communities. এটো একেটা কথাই unnatural sex আৰু LGBT. 377 lesbian, gay, bisexual and transgender article. Which among the following is not a preventive detention act? Preventive detention act কোনটো নহয়? Foreign exchange, prevention of terrorism, POTA, terrorism and disruptive activities, TADA, conservation of foreign exchange and prevention of smuggling activities. বাকি তিনটা হয়, foreign exchange to নহয়, prevention actor অধীনত নাহে। The power to decide an election petition For the state is vested in the High Court, Supreme Court, Parliament, Election Commission. State or election or karone High Court. So A is the correct answer. The writ jurisdiction of the Supreme Court of India under Article 32 of the Constitution of India is not wider than that of the writ jurisdiction of the High Courts under Article 226 because the High Courts may exercise this power in relation to civil and criminal case, fundamental and other legal rights, fundamental rights and matters in appeals, fundamental rights and stay matters. Other legal rights or ক্ষেত্ৰতো সিদ্ধান্ত ল'ব পাৰে 226 মতে High Court Supreme Court তকে অধিকাৰ বেছি ৰিট দিয়াৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত 48 answer. The High Court having the jurisdiction in judicial matters relating to the largest number of states, union territories is Guwahati High Court has the largest jurisdiction in the country. Guwahati High Court has Nagaland, Mizoram, Tripura, Arunachal Pradesh. Which of the following are the main jurisdiction of the High Court of a state? Original, appellate, supervisory, advisory. So advisory jurisdiction High Court or nai he karone 50 correct answer geta hol 1 2 3 orthat original, appellate aru supervisory to ase, advisory to High Court or khetrot nai. Thank you.